Hi guys, welcome back to Start for Less. In today's video, I want to show you guys how to get started with setting up an iMac. Let's say you just purchased this iMac. The next step, how do you plug in electricity? How are you going to set up your mouse? And how are you using your keyboard? Alright, let's get started. This one is the back side of the iMac when you turn it around. The first cable we're going to plug in is to start electricity. This side right here goes into the wall into the electricity outlet. The other side, which looks like this, goes on the back side of the iMac, where you can see in the middle there's a huge hole. Just plug it in right there. The next thing we're gonna do is the keyboard. The keyboard has a USB stick plugged in already, and it goes also on the back side of the iMac, right in there where it has a USB outlet, and you just plug it in. And then the last step is the mouse. The mouse is getting connected to the keyboard. If you turn your keyboard on the side, you can see it has also USB plug-in, and you literally just plug it in right there. So now that the iMac is running, what you do is you take the mouse and you go all the way up to the corner to the left where the Apple side is, and you click on About This Mac. And right now you can see the product that you bought. You really have to compare that everything is exactly what you bought on the overview, but also on the storage, just to make sure the iMac is empty and you have space to fill it up and use it yourself. The first thing to get started, what you want to do is you want to set up your iCloud. Now down here there is a symbol that says System Preferences. You click on there and you see the window popping up, and then on the left side it says iCloud. Click on it, and now you can put in all your information like this. Your entire iCloud will be set up. Let's say this is your very first time using your iMac. How do you set up your Wi-Fi? How do you connect it to the one at home? You click on this sign all the way on top. You click on the Wi-Fi name that is yours, and then you see right there it says password. Just type in your password, you click join, and that's it. Your Wi-Fi will be all set.